I've lived in Ghana my whole life and been at the receiving end of so many development programs. Growing up, we always used to say, when you hear NGOs is coming, it means they're coming to give you something, maybe a mosquito net, a growing seeds, or shoes. They give us these things in an effort to develop us, but after they leave or the program ends, things go back to the way they were and there is no change. Clash International approach to development is just a little bit different based on this experience.
With our first program, Clash Rural Ghana, we aim to facilitate a capacity building workshop with local farmers. So we're going to work with the farmers to assess their local markets. What's selling, when's it selling, how much is it selling for, what's not selling, and then we're going to use this information to build a strategic business plan with these farmers that will produce a business that is profitable, and then we'll also continue to work with them on how to maintain that profit. The program will also include any necessary agricultural technical training that would be needed in various forms of crop cultivation as well as animal rearing.
In order to make the training program accessible to the people who need it most, we use community leaders who are successful and are respected agricultural entrepreneurs to facilitate our workshop, and they are also trained in community development.
These individuals also speak the local language of the community, and they are intimately familiar with the cultural customs.